This instructional video covers how to use different multiplication strategies to solve 4-digit by 1-digit, 3-digit by 1-digit, 2-digit by 1-digit, and 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems. In 4th grade, the focus for multiplication is place value understanding. Because of the focus on place value, the students are not expected to perform the standard algorithm for multiplication. We will explore different strategies, including the distributive property, the area model, and partial products, which all focus on the place value understanding. Let's take a look at some examples. The first strategy I'm going to show you is called the area model. It is called the area model because the students are finding the area of the rectangles with the given equation. This is an example of how you would use the area model to solve a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. The first step in solving 52 times 4 is to write 52 in expanded form, which is 5 tens or 50 plus 2 ones or 2. Students will then draw a box to represent the rectangle and split the box into 2 since 52 is a 2-digit number. The students will multiply 50 and 2 by the number 4. In the first box, the students will multiply 4 times 50, which is 200. And in the second box, the students will multiply 4 times 2, which is 8. The students will add together the two partial products for a sum of 208. When using the area model for a 3-digit by a 1-digit, the students follow the same procedure as a 2-digit by a 1-digit by decomposing the number into expanded form, which is 300 plus 40 plus 7, but instead of the rectangle being split into 2 pieces, the rectangle is split into 3 boxes. You multiply 6 by 300, which is 1,800, 6 times 40, which is 240, and 6 times 7, which is 42. The students then add up the partial products, and the sum is 2,082. Lastly, when using the area model for a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number, you followed the same process as 2-digit by 1-digit and 3-digit by 1-digit, except you divide your rectangle into 4 smaller parts. The students multiply 4 times 2,000, which is 8,000, 4 times 500, which is 2,000, 4 times 60, which is 240, and 4 times 3, which is 12. The students then add up all of the partial products, and the sum is 10,252. The same strategies can be applied for 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. To use the area model for this equation, students decompose 35 into 30 plus 5, and then draw the box that represents the area, and then divide it into 2. Students will then decompose 47 into 40 plus 7, and add to the original rectangle to represent the area of the two numbers. The students then multiply the area of the figures to find the partial products. 40 times 30 equals 1,200. 40 times 5 equals 200. 7 times 30 equals 210. 7 times 5 equals 35. The students then add up all of the partial products, and that equals 1,645.